Hey guys, this is Mr. Kidlap. We're going to solve some equations here that are special cases. Obviously, we want to make sure that people understand not every equation is a special case. Otherwise, we won't call it special. It has to be different than everything else. So what happens in a special case? Well, let's say here working on two examples. Our first problem says 2a minus 3 equals 2a minus 3. And we have variables on both sides, and to solve this equation we learned that we have to move the variable to one side. Well, 2 is a positive number, so we're going to have the operation add 2a, inverse operation subtract 2a. By subtraction, something very interesting is going to happen. We're going to get rid of the variable on the left side and the variable on the right side. So we're not going to have an equation anymore. This is called an equality because we have nothing to look for. So we can't solve this because equalities are not something we solve. So this equality could be true or could be false. Well, negative 3 is going to be equal to negative 3 every single time. So this is going to be true no matter what a is going to be. Therefore, we have a special case, and this special case has a solution as identity or infinite solution. Which basically means that all the numbers can be substituted for a, and they would be a solution of the equation. So identity carries the idea that the left side is identical to the right side. For our second example, we have a slightly different example. We have variable again on both sides. We're going to have to get rid of the variable from one side. So we're going to do that using subtraction. So we're going to subtract 4x on both sides. But again, with subtraction, what happens, the variable disappears on the left side because 4x minus 4x is 0, and then the variables disappears on the right side as well because 4x minus 4x is also 0. So we have another special case here, and we have an equality 7 equals negative 3, which is impossible. 7 will never be negative 3, so this is false. Well, in this case, we're going to have no solution. What this means is there is no x in the real world that can make the left side equal to the right side. So what is a special case? A special case is when we are going to do an inverse operation. We're going to have to eliminate by addition or subtraction the variable on the left side and on the right side. Therefore, we no longer have an equation, but we have an equality. If the equality is true, we're going to have identity or infinite solutions, like in the first example. If the equality is false, we're gonna have no solution, like in the second example. Alright guys, have a wonderful day.